This is Nothing Ear 1 review. Despite the hype, the Nothing Ear 1 are surprisingly comfortable, and some will like the transparent design enough to go for the first true wireless earbuds from Nothing. The Nothing Ear 1 broke onto the market after months of hype, the first true wireless earbuds from OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei's new company. Ear 1 do not live up to the hype. Although the earbuds have a transparent design, which lets you see what's inside, Nothing hasn't developed the concept far enough for the earbuds to actually look good. You can see the circuit boards inside the stems, but most of the buds and charging case are covered in white plastic, which does not go well with the rest of the design. There's nothing spectacular about the earbuds, even though they have a transparent design that lets you see what's inside. There are circuit boards inside the stems, but the buds and charging case are covered in white plastic, which doesn't suit the rest of the design. Instead, we found them tinny and frustratingly quiet, though we were impressed by the way they handled high frequencies. The noise cancellation on the Ear 1 is also lacking. As for the battery, it's pretty good. You get 34 hours with ANC off, that drops to 24 with ANC on, which is pretty good for true wireless earbuds. You can check your battery level via the app, and the charging case supports wireless charging. While the Ear 1 support Bluetooth 5.2, we had trouble pairing the earbuds with our phones and sometimes experienced connectivity dropouts. Overall, the Nothing Ear 1 are an interesting first release from a new company, but an interesting design won't save these earbuds if they aren't getting the basics right. Those are the prices for the Nothing Ear 1, which will be available via a limited drop on the Nothing website starting July 31st at 9 a.m. EDT, 6 a.m. PDT, 2 p.m. BST, 11 p.m. EST. That price puts the Nothing Ear 1 at the lower end of price scale for noise-canceling wireless earbuds. They're less than the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the Apple AirPods Pro, for example. There's no denying that the design of the Nothing Ear 1 true wireless earbuds is divisive, and you'll either love them or hate them. The Nothing Ear 1 is based on the idea of transparency, and as such, the charging case and earbuds are almost completely transparent except for the bottom of the charging case and the housings of the earbuds, which are both solid white. You can see the circuit boards and magnets inside the earbuds through the transparent covers. This is cool if you like technology displayed, but those who prefer a more sleek design may want to look elsewhere. They are very comfortable to wear, and you get a choice of ear tips in the box, so you should be able to get a good fit. These earbuds are also IPX4 water resistant, so you can wear them while working out without worrying that a little sweat will crack them. Also, the earbud stems are touch sensitive, so you can manage your music without digging out your phone. Double tapping plays/pauses, triple tapping goes to the next track, and tapping and holding changes the noise cancellation modes. You can also slide your finger up or down the stem to adjust the volume. We liked the controls, and they were responsive, and there's an auto pause feature, so taking out your bud stops your music. It comes with a flip-top design that closes with a satisfying snap. It has an indent in the top that you can insert your thumb into, and if you're so inclined, this can be used as a fidget spinner. If you look closely, each earbud slot features a dot, red or silver. These dots correspond to the dots on the back of each stem, so you'll always know which one goes where. There's a pairing button and a USB-C charging port on the right side of the charging case, but you can charge it wirelessly if you want. We can see magnets, microphones, and the circuit board, but, except for the circuit board, that's not much to look at. Nothing Ear 1 features 11.6mm drivers made by Teenage Engineering, which displace a lot of air, which in turn produces a rich sound with powerful bass. Unfortunately, we didn't think they did quite live up to Nothing's claims that they would deliver rich, immersive sound. With the more bass preset, you can crank up the low frequencies, but we didn't find it had much of an impact. The soundstage didn't feel particularly wide, and the overall profile was a bit tinny. With light on, the ANC may as well not be on at all. In transparency mode, high frequencies sound a lot clearer, but we didn't feel like the ambient sounds were being picked up by the earbuds. The Nothing Ear 1 boasts a 5.7-hour battery life from the earbuds themselves, with a further 28 hours from the charging case. That's a total of 34 hours, though that drops to 24 hours with ANC on. You can charge the case wirelessly with a Qi-compatible mat, or with a USB-C port if you need to quickly charge your buds. You can charge the case wirelessly with a Qi-compatible mat, or with a USB-C port. The earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.2, with SBC and AAC support, and Nothing claims they support fast pairing, so you'd think they'd be easy to hook up. But after we connected via our phone's Bluetooth settings, we found music wouldn't play through the buds. There was a lot of connection dropouts, but they didn't last long enough to get annoying, and every time they happened, we had to restart Spotify. There's also an app that lets you check your battery level, toggle through the noise cancellation modes, and manipulate the equalizer presets. You can also use the app to ring your earbuds if you lose them, and download firmware updates.